Hello students, my name is Balram Kamkar, a lecturer of Mechanical Department. I am here to tell you about the subject Professional Ethics and Indian Constitution. It is applicable for all the Department of Diploma students. So in this video, I am going to start with the first unit, which is Human Values. So we'll start with the content of the first unit, which is Human Values. It contains the objectives of study of professional ethics and followed by the human values, which are morals and ethics, and also difference between the morals and ethics. And there are some values which are key trends in engineering ethics, such as virtues, respect for others, attitude, living peacefully, and caring and sharing, honesty, valuing time, cooperation, commitment, empathy, self confidence, and spiritual. These are the many key trends which are there in this unit, which we have to study. So let us start with the objectives of the study on professional ethics. First one is to understand the moral values. Yes, it is very essential for us to understand the moral values. For that we need to study the professional ethics. And the next one is to solve the problems related to moral issues. In our day to day life, we experience many issues regarding morals, so we have to have the skill of solving the problems related to the moral issues. And the next one is to improve the clear thinking skills. Yes, it is very essential for a human being to have a clear thinking. If we have clear thinking, then we can survive, then also we can lead our life easily. So it is very essential to learn this. Now fourth one is moral communication. The way of expression we have to teach, the way of expression of our opinion we have to teach. So this professional ethics will teach that. The next one is to act in morally desirable way. Yes, the desirable way we have to know. The next one is respect for persons. This professional ethics teaches to respect persons, respect for others. We have to respect each of everybody. So that will be learned. Next one is willing and able to be morally responsible. It is everybody will be having their own responsible at every stage of their life. So even though we are having some other kind of responsibilities, we have to have the moral responsibilities for all the stages in our life. So the next content will be starting with the morals. Moral is the human value. These are the principles which are expressed by the wise people and the experienced people based on their experience and wisdom. It can also be said that some set of rules and regulations which the person have to follow. If the person will not follow such principles, will be called as he is morally weak. Some examples will be: always tell truth, do not destroy others property, do not cheat others. So these are the some mandatory things which we have to follow. If we are not going to follow these principles, then we have been said that we are morally weak. The next one is ethics. Although the meaning of the ethics is similar to the moral, but still there are some differences, slight differences are there. Hence, ethics refers to a particular set of belief, attitudes, and habits of individuals or family or a group concerned with the morals. Means the ethics are concerning with the morals which are set by the individuals. For example, loyalty, kindness, respect for others. These are the some principles which we have to build up individually. for the different different situations we have to act as a moral. And let us move to the difference between the ethics and the moral. Although as I said in the previous slide that there is no much difference between the both, but there are some slight differences are there which we are going now. So the first parameter will be depends on the meaning. Although as I said that morals and ethics both will be dealing with the only two parameters, that there are those are rights and wrongs, but the morals are the belief of the individual or a group as a what is right or wrong, but the ethics are the guidelines principles which helps the individual to decide what is good or bad. So that's what I said, the slight differences. And now the next point is the moral is is the general principle set by the group or the set of people, set of wise people. But in case of the ethics, it is a principle which are set according to the specific situation. According to the situation, if the person reacts morally good, then ethics is good, we can say. Now the next point is the root word, means the moral comes from the root word which is mos, which is it means custom. And the ethics, root word of the ethics is the ethikos, which means the character. The character comes personally, so the ethics deals with personally, morals which deals with the society, socially, we can say. That is also one kind of difference, we can say. Moral is comes with socially, and ethics is personally. And now the next point is the morals governed by social and cultural norms, and the ethics governed by the individual or legal and professional norms. And also the next point, the moral deals with the principle of right and wrong, the principle of right and wrong which deals with, and ethics will deal with the right and wrong conduct, it is the act. And now the next point is morals are applicable, not applicable in business, and the ethics are applicable in business, because the morals are societal things and ethics are the personal things which can be applicable for the business. And now next point is morals may differ from society to society, cultural to culture. As the name itself indicates, it is a custom, the mos which means custom, so it can be differ from the society to so irrespective of the fields. But in case of the ethics, which will not be differ, it will be uniform irrespective of the situation. Now the next point is expressions. Morals are expressed in the form of general rules and statements, ethics are abstracted. And the next last one is, since as I said in the previous slide, that since morals are the societal norms, there is no chance of thinking about it, choosing about it. Since here in the case of ethics, we can choose because it is a personal act. So in the next video, I'm going to tell you about the values. Thank you so much.